Hello, it's Chris from CRAYSTONESHOP again, and today we're going to look at how to change the steam tap. Now, in normal operation, you unscrew the steam tap to let the steam out of the steam wand, and of course, as you do this, it's still connected, it's still fixed into the machine. So, to let you get an idea of what you're dealing with, I'm just taking off the front face of the machine to reveal the steam valve and the steam tap. Now, you'll notice that there's a retaining screw and washer. Now, this basically traps the steam tap into the valve, so when you fully open it, it can't pull away from the machine. And yeah, and that's the retaining clip. So, this hole here, next to where the steam wand emerges from the machine, is where we're going to put the screwdriver and undo the screw. Now, as I've said, the front face is off, just to give you an idea of what you need to do, but we're going to do it with the front face in place. Right, let's start. So let's take some precautions, make sure the machine's not plugged in, remove the water tank, place a cloth on the worktop, lift up the machine and place it onto its back. So as we said before, the front face is going to remain in place, and we're going to use our screwdriver and go in at this hole and undo that retaining screw. Take your Phillips screwdriver, it needs to be about 170mm long, which is about 6 3/4 inch. Angle it into the hole and locate it onto the retaining screw. Any bigger than 170mm, you're going to struggle. It's going to be too big to angle in, so this is the perfect tool for the job. It's important not to remove the retaining screw all the way. Just undo it a few turns, try the steam tap. If it won't come out, go back to the screw, undo it a few more times until you know that the steam tap will then unscrew from the body of the valve. Right, so I know I've undone the retaining screw enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove the steam tap from the body of the valve. So this area here is where the screw locates and traps it in this area to stop it coming out. Next to the steam tap O-ring, and the threaded area is where it screws into the valve. So let's go about putting it all back together again now. I've done a close-up view of the steam valve, so we're just going to go ahead and locate the tap into the valve, turning it clockwise, tighten it as far as it will go, and then we're going to take our screwdriver, locate the retaining screw, and also tighten that up to its full extent, basically trapping the steam tap in position against the valve. Now I'm just going to test to make sure everything's okay by unscrewing the steam tap all the way, and as before it came from the machine, now it's completely fixed. So I'm just going to tighten it back up to close the valve, and job done. So hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now.